Hello everyone. It is Suhesh Ghuncha. I am from Ghunchas Healthcare AI. I am Microsoft Healthcare AI professional and having expertise in Microsoft Azure Cloud, Microsoft Fabric, data engineering, Power BI, Microsoft Purview, data protection, data governance and compliance, medical billing from AHIMA, and Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Security. We help organizations for uh, digital transformation, and I'm also Oracle certified professional and Odoo ERP functional consultant as well. We implement ERP for different organizations, and we facilitate automation with Microsoft Foundry and data engineering with Fabric and data governance, compliance, and security with Purview. Uh, and we also develop different agents in Microsoft Copilot and Microsoft Foundry. This solution I am presenting now, it is about the medical transcripts automation. Actually, this flow, this our AI tool, different reads different transcripts, scans information, and uh, extract their information and add that information in the Excel. This is our data file in Excel. It's actually this all data is at our SharePoint. If the data is at some database, some drive, some any location, we can uh, integrate that data location with our automation tool, and data is read automatically and scanned and extracted to Excel file in SharePoint. We can add this data to any database as well on cloud or on premises. Okay, these are I am going to show different medical transcripts. These are in English language or either different languages. This tool actually can read any information in any language and put that information in our Excel sheet. It also can change, actually translate the language as well. These are actually printed medical transcripts, and this is the actually computer screen. It is the screen recording. This is different type of this. These are different recordings. This is a computer screen we have added for extraction, and this is the handwritten. Means that there are mixed medical transcripts. Either they are printed, they are handwritten, they are screen. This flow actually can read all type of um, information. We can add the Word file, PDF file, or any other type of medical transcripts here. And this our flow will read the data, will read the transcript and convert that data into here Excel file. This is the Excel file we already actually designed with this tool. It has patient name, patient age, gender, name, hospital name, patient prescription date actually, and this is the diagnosis. What have been diagnosis? This is the summary, and here we have the information about medicine name, medicine strength, dosage, medicine frequency, medicine duration, and this is a process information. This information actually will be added here after extraction from these websites. Okay, this is our flow actually. We will run this flow again. This is I would like to show you this flow. Yes. This is the automation flow actually. This is the recurrence action. Actually, it help us to decide when this flow automatically should run, either after 12 hours, 12 after 6 hours, after 1 hour, according to business need. We can uh, customize this, and this action will get the file properties, and we also using the actually we are utilizing different resources available in Azure. This is the actually block storage we are using for storing the information where we are extracting from the scanned data. And here we are using Microsoft Foundry document intelligence service, and as well as we are using text analytics service in this process. And we are after having the process and getting the information is uh, stored in the Excel table, and this is our when after using the all the process, we delete our blob storage, and after as well as our email. An email is sent to the email we have added in our flow. Actually, these are different emails where whenever this flow is completed, the link of this web file will be sent to these emails, and the email owners can open the file and can view the data. Okay, now I will run this process. Uh, we have practiced that in 1 hour it can process 200 to 300 transcripts, and maximum $8 to $10 is cost for this all processes. In this, actually, this cost actually includes our AI Azure resources, Azure data storage resource, Azure intelligence resources, and services, and all type of actually resources that are being used in this process, in automation process. Means it is not much cost, and it saves the time. There is very because if the error is in the data, that it is scanning, suppose diagnosis, many medicine name is written in different way like this, that is otherwise actually the human error is omitted through this process, because when different humans are doing this process, they takes much time, they make different errors, and they can skip the information, they can miss the information. But through this process, no information is missed, no error is done through this process. uh, if the error is in the data that we are extracting, that is different issue, but the data that is available on the transcript will be extracted and added to this Excel file, and it saves much time. It saves cost. Suppose I think so. If 300 transcription different transcripts we are going to extract the data, it will take I think so 2 to 3 days, and we need 2 to 3 persons. But through this process, we can do. Suppose if we have clients, and the clients send the transcripts, suppose 10,000 transcripts on daily basis, that is not a big issue. It can process 5 to 10,000 transcripts in 5 to 6 to maximum 6 to 7 hours, and you can automate the process actually, because suppose you are getting that transcript data through email. You are either your clients are uploading that data on your cloud service, any they are uploading the transcripts, or they are sending you WhatsApp or any other source, actually through any mean they are sending you the transcripts. We can connect with your resource, and this process actually will gather the transcripts from there, and add that those transcripts in your storage account, where we want to actually place that information, and from that of storage account or of storage information, this process will read the transcripts and add the data in the Excel table. After adding the data in Excel table, okay, this actually it was empty. Now it has. Let me actually refresh it. Yes, it is adding the data in this flow, in this file actually, and and this file can be integrated with Microsoft Fabric, with Microsoft Purview, Microsoft Foundry, for different actually we can refine this information, we can improve this information, and this information can be used for data analytics, for reporting, and for providing the information to AI agents to perform different tasks. Uh, we have added almost 15 to 20 recipes here. Actually, if I count here, let me count them. These are actually 8 recipes, right? But let me refresh it. Okay, actually, it is all about processing how much. Uh, these are almost 10 to 15 actually the transcripts here. But if we add the data more than now 35 records because the information is being repeated because of the medicine. Suppose this information, this prescription actually have 1 2 3 4 5 medicine, because the number of this actually one row is added, one record is added against each medicine. Therefore, these are records are repeated, all the information repeated, but the here if you could see the medicine is being different actually different medicine actually added, therefore the records according to medicine are being added here. We can use Power Query language to refine this data, and after refining this data can be sent to Microsoft Fabric or Microsoft Power BI for reporting or analysis or any other operation regarding data engineering. This is our flow. It works like this, and we can actually this is just demonstration about our capability about the automation of the medical transcripts or any other data, but we can enhance this process. Actually, a lot of things can be done with it according to the business needs and your requirement. Thank you so much.